Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We are on our way to a 002 foyer door. Lockwood 002 Deadlatch foyer door 002 has failed to work. The lever is not going down. So we're going to go see if we can repair it, or we're going to go have a look and see if we can replace it. Look at all the nice high rises. It's not too sunny today. Everybody look happy. Yep. Okay. We're on our foyer door. So the key is good. And it's a security key, so can't do much there. What's the problem there? Okay, sure. So it's basically the foyer door, and what I think's happened is somebody's put a twig in there. Let's find it. You're watching too?
I'm watching too to see what they've done. Maybe they forced it or something.
The light here. Nothing really much coming out. If it is in the mechanism, I'm going to replace it, because once it's worn, you can't rectify these parts. And if it's bent, yes, you can bend it back, but reliability won't be as good as manufacturer where it's never been played with. So it'd be better to replace it. All right, so that part works. Spring loaded, nothing broken, nothing bent, that looks okay. We've got a spring here, always a spring there to push that forward. Got our bolt, that seems cool. Our dead latching, that seems fine. And look at that, we're still jammed. Very unusual. Any guesses? Screw. So make sure I don't lose any of these springs or anything. Alright, so that's our driving hub. That looks okay. Aha! Look at that. There it is there. See that little piece of something? Right there? That's what it is. That piece of, most likely this, that broke off. Where is that from? On the side? So it could just be a side one. I'll have a look and see if you can see where it came from.
Have it.
You found it there? No.
Yeah.
You reckon? Let's have a look.
Up there.
No, that's always clear, that bit.
This bit.
Yeah, no, it doesn't. It doesn't. I know puzzles. It's not. It's not. It's to be here somewhere broken off. Looking for a broken mark.
That is a broken mark.
I'm going to disagree.
Look at it. That broken mark.
It's from here somewhere. It's like it's one of the wings. It's definitely not from in there.
Okay, that's a broken mark.
No, it's not. Have a good look. It's not. Okay. Give it back. If that's what it is and that's what was jamming up, it's unlikely to sort of jam up like that again. I think we can clean that. We can put this back together. So this has to go with the spring bit here. So when it goes left and right, it's going to be spring loaded. That sits on there. No, that sits in the grooves. Okay. 4 screws. 1, 2. Did you bring a drill? That's where it was from. I knew it was from somewhere. See there? See that little triangle? See that? There's meant to be one right there, and that's where it is. So somebody's just turned the key way too hard. That's going there, fallen in and got jammed. It still can turn one direction, so that should still be okay. And that's actually to kick off the deadlock. So if you lock this side, that's what those little nipples are for. So you still got those things that drive it, so it'll be fine. Screwdriver. So I don't know why that broke off, but there's another one that allows you to go left and right to release the deadlock. And you got that key. Beautiful. Locking.
Alright, so found it. I knew I'd seen it a million times before. It was this little bit right here. Little triangle bit. How it ended up where it did, who knows. But it's not a problem because you got the big part here and the big part over here which drive the latch. So this little part is pretty much just used for the internal double locking dead latch to unlock it. So you know that little part on the inside that's got the little green thing? Of course, being a 002, it doesn't have that at all. So these little, how would you say, triangle nipples were just completely useless. But how it ever ended up where it did, pretty amazing. Leave your comments down below, and thanks for watching.